From beach bars to behind bars, today we ride deep into northern Thailand, crossing rivers, jungle trails and flood-damaged valleys on our Royal Enfields. 12 years ago we rode across a wooden suspension bridge here. Today it's been totally swept away. Before we even reach it, we're going to spend some time behind prison barbed wire fences, dodge snake bites and tackle some of the toughest terrain yet. Join us on our Thailand motorcycle adventure.
And all the people selling fruit and veg, the hillside people?
Yeah, almost.
Yeah. Grown in the mountains and brought to the town every day.
Yeah.
I just think that's where the economy starts in Thailand. People grow things from the earth, bring it to town to sell, the restaurants can buy it, they sell to the tourists. I just think that's how the whole economy revolves.
But Thailand lives without tourists.
Yeah, we know that. We know that, yeah.
Maybe not just in Thailand, maybe whole world.
Yeah, I think so.
People not want to travel.
It's a bit like that, sadly. But they can travel with us, right?
Yes. Follow me, follow me.
Yeah, follow me.
Gonna go?
Yeah, go. So where are you taking me, my lovely?
We're gonna go to see Chiang Rai beach.
Chiang Rai beach. How can Chiang Rai have a beach when it's miles away from the ocean?
The river beach.
The river beach.
Yeah.
Only in Thailand you can have a beach by the river. But it's because it's got lots of sand, right? Is that why?
Yeah. Yeah.
But I don't think we're going to see. I don't think we're going to see any sand today. Because it's high river, right?
Which way to go?
Just keep going straight on.
Wow, it's been changed.
It has been changed, yeah. Cannot drive your car on the grass anymore.
I'm so confused now.
It's okay, my love. You're nearly 50 now. It's okay.
It's so unpolite.
So unpolite. So it's a very popular place for people to come and sit by the river and eat, but not this time of year.
Yeah, it's not like the summer.
Yeah, look at that. That's very lovely. Very lovely.
Yeah. And just across the river there, what you see that? That is the monk cave in there. It's half the cave and half the monk in there.
Inside here, yeah, there's a cave.
Yeah.
Yeah. A white Buddha inside of a cave. Yeah, it's very nice, but no sand, no beach. You promised me a beach today.
That's what we call Chiang Rai beach. We cannot see today.
Chiang Rai beach with no beach. And all these beach bars and no bar open either.
One go to bypass, one go to...
Yeah, go to bypass, yeah. Ah, it's very beautiful.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
That way have the beach, look.
A little bit of beach.
And that where we just come from that mountain.
Yes.
Gonna spread to the traffic light.
I think we should stop at the beach bar here. See if I can get a bottle of beer.
in the daytime. A small bottle, obviously. Yeah, it looks like it's open.
It's open?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go to the beach bar.
Chiang Rai Beach Bar.
You can ride the bikes right in, right? It's not really busy.
I think so. My love, just right in.
Yeah.
Right. Not park too close. Yeah, just
Right
park
here.
in front. Yeah, in front there. Not with the car.
Nice and shady. Nice little bamboo huts. Very nice.
Yeah.
Right under the bridge. It's very nice. Nice setting. It's so hot. I definitely need a cold beer. I know I shouldn't, but I'm going to.
ขวดปกติเราไม่ใช่เล็ก
ใช่
เจ้าเป็นขวดปกติเขานี่แหละเจ้า
อ๋อแล้วทำไมต้องเรียกขวด
อ๋อใช่อันนี้ขวดปกติแล้วครับใช่
It's really happy one
It's okay.
เอากี่ขวดดีครับ
เราแวะแป๊บเดียว
Wow. So normally we can walk down to the sandy beach down here, and now we can't.
Huh?
Normally we can walk down to the sandy beach.
Yeah.
Ah, it's very nice, Mrs. T, isn't it?
It's nice but no beach still.
No beach today. Just the river only.
ไม่ตกนะ
Hey, Doc, man. Ron.
ร้อนขนาดอากาศร้อนมาก
So it's turned out to be a beautiful day. I don't know if you can see the mud lines here on the bridge. That's how high the water has been before to these lines. That's how much Chiang Rai got flooded last year. Severely flooded the whole city. Ah, it's a nice t-shirt, my love. What have you got there?
Right with tea.
Right with tea, that's cool. Ah, a pair of nice looking bikes. Ah, thank you, Chiang Rai Beach. Very nice, huh?
Very nice car. How are we going?
This way, straight on. Yeah. We're going to U-turn and go back on the bridge.
The country.
That is beer.
No, I not drink beer.
Ooh, that is big macro.
Yeah.
Don't overtake one, look. No, no, no. That is why not overtaking.
Anna?
Yeah.
Make it.
Yeah, we will. Yeah, we will. Plenty of time. Yeah. Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Beautiful. Nice.
It is, yeah. And we've never been on top of this mountain here. I've never been up top there, but I think there's a temple up there as well, right?
Temple up there.
Yeah. You have to take me there one day.
Want to walk up there?
Not today, too hot. Yeah, another day.
Another day in paradise?
Another day in paradise, yes. So, this is interesting. We've got Pasot Hot Spring. We've got the National Park. And we've got Chiang Rai Central Prison.
That is where we're going?
Well, I think you want to take me there, right?
Yeah.
What is there so much?
It's a naughty people.
Yeah, but why are you taking me there?
Because you're naughty.
Okay. Okay, I accept. That's a nice old jeep.
Nice one. Right in here, that is coffee shop.
Yeah, okay. Oh, just this little coffee shop.
Coffee shop.
What's it say? Just coffee shop.
Stage, coffee shop. Coffee shop is in coffee shop. I don't know where we can park. Where we parking?
In the shade.
In the shade.
Well, there's two
Up
motorbikes
there?
on, yeah, two motorbikes on your left, so that's a good clue. Now we're inside the jail.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Inside the case, man.
Inside the cage. Oh, I just see the guard come out the gate there.
Where?
Just here.
Ah,
He
yeah,
has the
and the
keys.
lock.
Yeah. Bus cafe as well. Here's a key. Handmade things from people from the prison. Okay, so we're being ushered into the bus to have a look at handmade things from prison inmates. Oh, it's a very low bus. It's a very low bus. It's a cafe.
Oh, it's still cafe.
Still cafe. Oh, it's like handbags and things. Okay. Anything that takes your fancy? It's an acquired taste. I mean, it's mostly hand stitched and things. They are quite pretty in their own way. What kind of price are we talking? 350 baht. About £10, UK pounds, I think. So that was our little trip behind bars. So we're going to go to the other coffee shop now,
Yeah.
just to see what they're up to there. We're actually going to drive past the main prison now. It's quite a big prison part, isn't it, really?
It is really big. That's why they have to move from the town to here.
And it's just Chiang Rai people or Chiang Mai also? Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai has its own prison as well, I think.
Yeah, everywhere have their own prison.
We are now on our way to the Prison Rehabilitation Centre, where inmates are given the chance to learn new skills while on day release. This initiative was established by the King's eldest daughter. Tragically, the princess fell seriously ill and has remained in a coma for the past 3 years. Before her illness, she led a remarkable life. She earned a PhD in law from the University of Chicago, as well as a degree in international relations. She went on to serve as Thailand's ambassador to Austria and later worked with the United Nations, where she became a passionate advocate for the rights of women in prison.
Well, they have a restaurant as well, I can smell food.
You go in the wrong way also.
You do, and then you make me go in the wrong way also.
From art and farming, to work in the cafe and restaurant, to car washing and even massage therapy, a wide range of skills are taught here, and I'm happy to report the food was excellent. Now we're heading further upriver to visit a wooden suspension bridge we last saw more than 12 years ago. But on the way, things got a little dramatic. Both Mrs. T and I had a close encounter with a snake. It lunged first at her and then at me. Not the first time this has happened on our travels. Mrs. T's reaction was a little late, but a classic one. And I have to admit, when it came to my turn, I did exactly the same drill.
Oh my god! Oh, snake! Oh my!
And of course, it was right at this point that my Insta360 camera decided to run out of battery. Luckily, my AUC CarPlay device has both front and rear cameras, which is how I managed to capture the snake on video.
Hello, little foxy. Hello. Hello, little fella. Hello. Hey, hello. Oh, you's lovely, isn't you? Hey, he's a lovely one. Yeah. That is the bridge. The bridge has gone. It's a very cute one, isn't it? So, no more going across that bridge, Pat?
No.
It's all finished, right? Dear.
That is really sadly.
Very sad, no? Got that on video?
We first came across this bridge 12 years ago, and I doubt it will ever see repairs, especially since a new one was built about 5 kilometers to the south. But even that newer bridge wasn't spared from the floods. When we crossed it, it was still only patched up with temporary repairs. I hope you've enjoyed riding along with us today. On this channel you'll find a mix of content, from motorbike reviews and product tests to maintenance tips and travel vlogs. I know not every video will appeal to everyone. Those who enjoy the travel episodes might skip the maintenance ones, and vice versa. But that variety is exactly what keeps the channel alive, and I'd love for you to stick around for the journey. So if you haven't already done so, please like, please subscribe, and join us for more rides ahead. Until next time, ride safe.